In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an Airtable interface, form, or shared view. To begin, open the Airtable item you want to publish. This could be an interface, a form, or a shared view depending on what you want other people to see. Before you make anything public or accessible to others, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct place and that you're working with the exact version you want to share. Next, it helps to understand what publishing actually means inside Airtable. When you publish something, you're making that view, form, or interface available either to selected people or through a shareable link. In other words, you're deciding how others can access that content. This is important because publishing controls visibility, and you want to be intentional about what people will be able to open and use. Before moving forward, review the content carefully. Look over the fields, records, and overall layout to make sure everything appears the way you want it to. This is a good time to check for anything outdated, incomplete, or unnecessary. If the shared item includes data, verify that only the information you're comfortable sharing is visible. A quick review now can save you from confusion or unwanted edits later. Once everything looks good, move to the share settings. Here, choose who can access the published item. Depending on the Airtable area you're using, you may be able to limit access to specific people or allow access through a share link. Select the option that best fits your goal. If the content is meant for a controlled audience, be more restrictive. If it's intended for broader access, the share link option may make more sense. After that, click the Publish or Share button. The label may vary depending on whether you're working with an interface, form, or view, but the purpose is the same. This is the action that makes your content available to others. Once you do this, Airtable will generate the published version or link. Now test the link before sending it out. Open the published link yourself and confirm that it works correctly. Check that the layout displays properly, that the right content is visible, and that the access settings behave the way you intended. This quick test helps catch mistakes before anyone else sees them. Finally, remember that publishing is not permanent in the sense that you're stuck with one version forever. If you need to make changes later, simply edit the content, then republish or update the shared version. Keeping your published Airtable content current ensures that anyone accessing it gets the most accurate and useful experience.